What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when your mouse or trackpad is not working properly on your Mac. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In case you are unable to use your Mac because your trackpad is not working, then plug in a USB mouse or connect a Bluetooth mouse until this problem is resolved. Next, click on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and select System Settings. On this window, navigate to the General section and select Software Update. I suggest updating your Mac to the latest macOS version. After downloading the OS, you will be prompted to restart your Mac. A system restart can, in a lot of cases, fix temporary trackpad and USB connection problems. After updating your device, proceed to unplug all of your other peripherals, such as an external keyboard, mouse, camera, and monitor. In the Trackpad section of your settings, make sure that you're in the Point and Click tab and slightly decrease and increase your tracking speed as well as the click speed. Below, temporarily disable the Force Click and Haptic Feedback option. This can also fix the problem when your trackpad is not responding or not allowing you to left and right click. The options below allow you to change how you look up and right click. Make sure that these are not turned off if you intend on using your trackpad properly. The last trackpad option should be enabled, as it will allow you to use tap to click. This will help you figure out if your trackpad is faulty and not allowing you to use the physical click. After taking a look at your trackpad settings, navigate to the Accessibility section of your settings. Under Pointer Control, make sure that the mouse keys, alternative pointer actions, as well as the head pointer options are disabled. You can then close your settings as well as other applications running on your Mac. Some apps can cause mouse and trackpad issues, especially if those run in full screen mode or change your display resolution. Lastly, if nothing seems to help out, then your trackpad or mouse might be faulty. Test your external mouse or trackpad on a different device to make sure that it's not broken. More information and additional troubleshooting tips will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.